Trimmers, these bad boys. Let's go.
See what happens? Post it. Yo. This is your main man, Ty, coming back to you hard with something brand new that most of you know absolutely nothing about. These bad boys right here is one of the hottest clippers on the planet. I'm honestly telling you that because they really are. And when I cut with them, they are one of the hottest clippers on the planet. I'm telling you right now. These bad boys are off the chain. These bad boys are called the HTC, well, you can kind of see it. The HTC CT-8088. These bad boys are hot. They are so hot. Dude, I'm letting y'all know. These bad boys are all that. Trust that. I'm about to drop it on you right now. Now I'm gonna break it down to you why these things are better than the rest of the most clippers out there. Right now, you see these right here. So let me open up the side. And in this side is a long box thing. Let's pull everything out. Side over here. Okay, now right now, they gave me the European plug, but it don't matter because it has a USB thing, so it doesn't matter. You know, I feel like I connect this or whatever I need. Doesn't matter. If you see these type of things come in your plug, come in your boxes sometimes, or they actually tell you the wrong one, do not worry about it. It does not matter. Don't send it back. Just whatever. It's a little attachment piece that you can pop it right on top, and whatever. If not, it doesn't matter because you still get the USB cord that goes to the bottom of the clipper, and that goes into any USB cord you got in your house. And then you charge it with that. Doesn't matter either which way. These bad boys are off the chain, so don't even worry about it. You still got a regular plug that you can charge it with. Doesn't matter. You remember, there's two ways of charging these clippers nowadays, okay? Now, also, it comes with a comb. Of course, I said the plug piece, the USB attachment, a comb. Also, you got, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 comb attachments, okay, 4 guards. Comes with a little oil, which most of them do not come with oil, let you know ahead of time. And if you don't know why oil does not come in a lot of these packages, or you go, hey, someone stole my oil. No one stole your oil, okay? No one took your oil. No one stole anything. The thing is, ever since 9/11 happened, year 2001, oils and things that can explode or be flammable are not allowed on a lot of planes, okay, on planes. If you want something that has things like this on it or whatever, you gotta, usually have it sent over on a boat. If it's not on a boat job plane, most likely it's not gonna make it into the country. It's gonna get pulled. If it gets pulled, your shipment's gonna be all messed up. I'm letting you know now. Also, here we go, right now, the clipper itself, clipper of the hour, too sweet to be sour, and the instruction magazine. Let's pull this out so you can see this for yourself. This is the HTC 8088. This bad boy is off the chain. You see it says man clipper on the front. HTC is a very high standard clipper, okay? This bad boy is absolutely off the chain. It is completely white on the bottom with silver lettering down there. On the front of it is the black cover with the white attachment on top with the HTC in black. This thing's absolutely, the handles is just everything on this thing is just amazing. To do a cut with this bad boy, it comes with this cover and it comes with the plastic on it. It covers the cover. This is on top of the cover. Pull that off, and here you go. Okay, it's a smooth one. Okay, and you use it, your taper guy, it's gonna be very soft, very smooth. It can reach way up there. It's very nice. It's a very nice clipper. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is like, come on. This is like one of them top of the line. It's like when you go to the store, you go to buy an automobile, and you come back with a Mercedes, and you get that ooh ah. This is that effect. The way it cuts is insane. There's a plug down there in the bottom right there, whatever, the hook piece right here. It is just absolutely incredible and a gorgeous clipper. You would love this bad boy. This thing runs at 7,000 RPMs, and let you know right now, 7,000 RPMs. This is awesome. I mean, it is really freaking awesome. The sound quality. Look at it. Starts at 100. The sound is just nice. I mean, it's nice and quiet, but it's like Let me say, wow. Which ones? Goodness, the power in it's like surprising, man. It's just like, whoa. And these bad boys right here sell for about $70-something. Okay, I'm letting you know right now, $70-something each. And that's when it's on sale, because they usually sell about $90-something. Okay, I'm letting you know right there, these bad boys are incredible. Absolutely incredible, man. You feel the power in your hand when you slice and dice them, man. These are absolutely incredible. You know, you can put the white things on there, the white guards on there, hook yourself and make it look really fly. But these bad boys are off the chain. Get yourself one of these bad boys. I'm telling you now, they're all that. Also, these things right here are ISO 9000 certified. People go, what the hell? What is that? What the heck is that? ISO 9000. When you see right here, it says right here, ISO 9000 certified, 9001 certified. What it means is the standard, the quality standard is so incredible. It's so high. They make incredible products. It's like Mercedes. When they want their products to be, you know, I mean, just the best on the planet. It's the same way. ISO 9000 certified is a standard of quality. And get certified means it's unmatched quality. You understand? You got to get this bad boy right here. You understand? They go through so many pinpoint checks and everything to make sure that their product is absolutely flawless. I'm telling you, I cut with this, and it's like using a superior machine. It's like using a $300-400 machine. Okay, but it's not $300-400. It's only $77 where I got it from. When I said also it's $90-something. Probably what everybody else get. I'm letting you know ahead of time. These bad boys are off the chain. The HTCs 8088 are incredible. Get yours today. Your main man Tyler, you know what's up. Put it down. Spend your money wisely. If you a student, get this bad boy right here, and you'll be making blaze cuts to blow everybody else out. Your instructors will be blown away. I'm letting you know right now. It's your main man Tyler. You know what's up. Hey yo.